October is National Bullying Prevention Month, a time for us to focus and raise awareness on promoting kindness and connection with others at school. One of our priority goals this school year is to further develop the social emotional skills of our students and develop a thriving school culture among all our staff and students, which increases student connectedness to school and decreases bullying behaviors. Student success depends on a positive school climate because when students feel connected at school, they're more likely to succeed academically, leading to increased school attendance and higher academic achievement. When schools have a supportive culture, students are less likely to engage in risky or bullying behaviors, and the risk of experiencing emotional problems decreases. We want to share with you some of our district's efforts to create this positive climate in our schools.
In HBCSD, we are focused on cultivating a supportive and safe school climate where all students are accepted and able to learn and grow. Raising awareness of the signs of bullying is important in helping staff to prevent it from happening. Bullying is defined as intentional behavior intended to cause harm that is repeated and involves a power imbalance. Bullying is not student conflict, such as one student having a disagreement with another student.
In addition to weaving kindness and compassion and empathy in our classroom instruction, I am so proud to work for a district that provides resources and takes action to continue to foster a positive school culture. Some examples of this include modeling and teaching respectful behavior through positive behavior interventions and supports, which is also known as PBIS, facilitating engaging classroom lessons targeting a variety of social emotional topics, including bullying and conflict resolution, identifying and managing feelings, showing kindness and compassion and empathy, and increasing self-control. We also teach our students responsible use of technology. Another thing that we do is we meet with students both individually and in groups during times of heightened stress or critical changes or any other situation that could be impeding their successes. Another thing I'm very proud of is that we collaborate with not only the staff, but the parents and the community as well to provide resources for social and emotional support. And lastly, encouraging students always to be upstanders rather than bystanders.
We will continue our efforts toward creating positive school environments in which all students feel connected to school, peers, and teachers. A community-wide effort to prevent bullying shows students that adults care what happens to them and that they're not alone. We hope you will join us in the effort to create a caring, supportive school community for our students. Thank you for your continued support.